The connected vehicle is here. This is TOBY-L4, a groundbreaking high-speed LTE Cat 6 module for automotive use. Using u-blox companion modules, TOBY-L4 has pre-integrated GNSS and Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing seamless telematics and in-vehicle services. The built-in Linux operating system provides an easy, rich, and robust application environment. With 10 times the CPU capacity of similar platforms, you experience true multitasking as multiple data streams and applications run simultaneously. Its cost-efficient LTE Cat 6 connectivity and the application processor are inside a single module, and it's easy to add external components for simple and comprehensive connected car systems. TOBY-L4 meets the challenges of tomorrow's connected vehicles already, today. u-blox at the core.